programmer. This is the first part of a series of PHP tutorials. So in this tutorial we will see in this specific tutorial we will see how we can start using PHP, how to install servers, and what we really need to get started with PHP. So let's go to any web browser we have and search for example. Examp stands for Apache, MySQL, Perl, and PHP. So you need to download this for your specific platform. If you are using Linux, click on this, or Windows, or Mac OS. So you just need to download it. Then I already downloaded it. Then the installation process is really is so straightforward. So it's not that much hard. So you installed it. You will go to your installation folder. Usually it's in the in a folder called XAMPP. I installed it in XAMPP 64, so you will get this kind of folder. Then you go to htdocs. This is the folder you get your websites in. So you will need to create a new folder, and for this tutorial we will say YouTube, because this is for YouTube. Then we will just open this folder using any text editor you have. In this case I'm just going to use VS Code. So you can use any text editor from Atom and brackets, any text editor, even Notepad, but I recommend you use VS Code because it's really a good text editor. Then you go back to XAMPP 64, then you'll get XAMPP control.exe. You open it, then you need to start both Apache and if you want to work on databases, you need MySQL. So let's go back and go to localhost. This is our dashboard. Now if I, for example, go to localhost/YouTube, you can see my folder, my project. So let's have a landing page, index.php. So if I have an index, it will directly go to that page. Now you just started, you just created a PHP file if you're fine till this. So next tutorial what we're gonna see is we will really start coding in PHP. Thank you for listening.